Welcome, now I am going to demonstrate Info Profile Slider widget from Essential Classy Add-ons for Elementor, formerly known as EC Add-ons. From Dashboard click on Essential Classy and then Widgets. Now click on Pro category, and make sure Info Profile Grid widget is enabled. Now search Info Profile Slider and use. First select Image. Title field with H1 to H6 tag. Also, we have link option as well. And we have same option for subtitle. From here enable social icons and manage. Using height option you can manage info box height. In Content Box tab, you can manage content visibility using opacity for normal and hover state. Using transition, you can manage hover scale image animation. Using background size and position, you can create creative layout. Also, you can manage overlay color for normal and hover state. Let's check sample layout of image background size and its position. In every slider widget, we have center mode option. You can manage scale and opacity for each active or current. Also, in every slider widget we have RTL option as well. Let's check out dots. In dots we have vertical and horizontal layout with different predefined position. In styling you can manage size. We have 7 type of dots. Let's check arrow option with different predefined position. You can change position as per your design. Using on mouse wheel option, you can next previous slide using mouse wheel. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more video.